At jobs.utah.gov, our unemployment insurance services allow you to report wage information manually or to upload a wage file. This video will explain the process for uploading an Excel file. Excel may only be used when filing for one business at a time. We also accept text files in MMREF format when filing for multiple businesses or a large number of employees. Please note you must first create a user account and add a business before you can file a report online. After logging in, click the Tax tab and select File a Tax Report, Upload a Wage File. The Excel file must contain at least 4 columns, including first name, last name, social security number, and wages for all employees who performed services in the quarter for which you are filing. Including an additional column for middle initial is optional. Click Choose File to select the file you wish to upload from the File Explorer, then click Continue to upload the file. If the Excel file you selected has multiple sheets, you will need to pick a worksheet to ensure the system can locate the correct information. Next, you will select which business, quarter, and year for which you are filing, and then define each column of data. When you are done, click Continue. The system will automatically calculate the total and subject wages, review and verify the uploaded wage information, then enter how many employees were active within each month of the quarter, and click Continue. If reports must be filed for multiple quarters or for another business, click Start Another Report, and go through the steps again for each relevant quarter. Once you have completed the desired reports, check the box next to the reports you wish to file, then click Continue. If an unemployment tax is due, payment options are provided in the drop-down box. We recommend using an electronic funds transfer, or EFT, which is a no-cost, fast, and secure payment method. By selecting EFT, you have the option of saving your banking information for future use. Enter your banking information, and then click Continue. Confirm your filings, then click Submit to complete the process. Remember, your report is not complete until you finish this final step and submit. You will receive confirmation when the report has been submitted successfully. You will also have the option to view or print information for your records. Your reporting history is always available through your account. If you've paid via EFT, you do not need to send any paperwork to the Department of Workforce Services. If you're having problems or need additional assistance, click on the live chat button during normal business hours and a customer service representative will be happy to assist you.